aba amansane yena yebiem Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yebiem
Next story so hot news kasewa eja etia to den protos wa na afade sa o say landlord spoke after murdering a tenant. Okay, landlord bia owo enkran memu me ye tre ofanko ya ne tenant ne te ofanko wasifie e ofanko on ne tenant ne ye dancehall art up and coming dancehall art o tifie wo na emu no na nsensem bi apiepiem tenant no entu akoye akasa landlord drew fie wo yesena tenant ko abobọ na niema awia o sesa na niema afirifie o na fie ra no ko drew fie wo ni drew fie wo na eye chema menche ebo se fie ra na achetuo o chetuo na ni pay tuo no obo na makoma nan o de ba ko bo na akoma ho o de ba ko bo na mfim o de ba ko bo na nan ene yeso o de ba ko sa bo na chi sa na wona na omo ho no ekeka chese dancehall art ya oye abrante wasi so ototo nyum kakra ewo industry mu onka atiasefo hu bie yen na landlord akopiem ewo police station na abambo fo ni bi twetwetwe na no yen tie nsema na all catch police for no yen ko timbra.
So how did you get the money to start all this business?
I just told you I started my business at the age of 14.
At the age of
14 in London.
You told me, are you not lying? Are you being truthful to me?
My first company.
No, wait. You have just stated emphatically that you started business at age 17.
Yeah, yes. Well,
then when I took you round, you have.
The first building I occupied was at the age of 17. 14 years of age.
We're talking about what you do for your living.
I'm a real estate developer. And then I was in London, I did build in the maintenance.
Please. You have made your point clear to me that you started business at age 17. So I'm surprised that you are telling me now at age 14. Okay. At age 14, you should be in school. What business can you do at age 14? Where were you doing that business at age 14? Okay. Where?
In London.
London.
It's not like Ghana here. There's a lot of opportunities.
14 years. You were doing business?
Yes.
Were you not in school?
Yes.
And you were doing business?
Yes.
And you have a
I had a job. Yes, I had a job at the age of 10. Had a job at the age of 11. I've always been working, always been a business. Always.
At the age of 10, you were working?
You are always allowed to do some type of work. Paper around. You can also go and do some cleaning work. I have been doing that. As of now, I realize the situation we're in, so I have no more comment to talk about it.
Do you have any association with cybercrime?
No, sir.
Have you ever done that before?
No, sir.
Do you have any friend who is into that?
No, sir.
Are you sure?
I am 100% positive.
Where did you get your weapons? The two pump-action guns. Where did you get them?
There's a policeman called Mr. Kalani, he's the head of the CRD department here in Accra. And he was the one that...
Mr. Who?
Kalani.
Mr. Koloni.
Kalani.
Mr. Kalani.
Yes, sir.
He gave you the weapon?
Yes, sir.
At where?
At Montpellier police station.
Okay, if you're not one a police for ni bi command opeso o chemo o moti access ono ye kura no 14 years wa bobra pa onye scantem o si suntem no 14 years na rade to nsem because wo ye adwuma na o ko fie wo no tenant no cha edi kan twe second nti ono person o che say self defense because they told no the shooting no legal gun we register woni dim e say na comfort aba no so e woni fie wo nti no oto no police ni wa register gun no e woni dim mu ti okwa na hey no e na chese na wo so otwetu e na otwintu yen se no so abra wo ko fie ono nso so na wa hyehyɛ ne ho yie pa wa bɔ ne ho ban wa hye bulletproof yi bi a chese wa bɔ ne ho ban yi a on pese e bi okodru wa hey bia esia obenya na ti edidi eno na abrante ne na fofo nso e de ayem hyehye ne yaw eni esu ni aroho akopaja atofie ra ni fie ni ma efie na danfo ni ti o ma hye fie ni nyina grobe a o man fe pin krampo enfifio esan say na eyo mo di ase fiera no ekun o madam for abrante no oga ede na wo kafa sansem we
the story make me sad. The way some story charge me, way this thing you can't bring me for down.
They bring you down.
It bring me down.
Oh.
The story make me sad. You see, I don't understand some people. You there for someone in house. The person say make you come out for the house. So once the person say make you come out, if you not say now the relationship between you and the person, you not going to be cordial again. So there will be trouble always.
Okay.
So the best thing to do is to look for another place, then you go come out.
Okay.
You know come out, fine. But you landlord, where you talk say somebody come out for your house. Where you come, as you come, you prepare say something go happen.
Yeah. Or born home by your so
here they talk say the thing be self-defense. Maybe you don't know the meaning of self-defense. You they come, you prepare where say by me something go happen. Where the something happen.
Where you kill the person.
Where you kill the person. So what man where you bring for the house?
Say self-defense.
When they talk say it be self-defense, you know self-defense. Self-defense be something where they work for somewhere where you never plan say maybe something will happen.
Nice.
But this one you plan say they come to the house. As you come to the house to something where go happen for the house. So as you plan for your head, the planning for your head alone, that one it be criminal.
Okay.
That one be criminal.
Criminal offense. Abra omuguso omukeka nsem na abusiafo na abrante na efiewura ne kun na abusiafo so aba bekeka nsem bi so omu pa ban na chose omu bomodin se omu bema ni omu ba na awu ni justice esan se efiewura na nye self defense kun e no se de kun abrante na yenko na ehwe video na embraces here.
Baby, I see come and be a ready rubber. Oh, you did.
Please, we didn't find the family road. They said they don't live around, so some of the next house, I'm sorry, yeah, neighbors, and then his best friend. So what happened? We are not surprised, just that it's a sad situation. When we were at the crime scene. News about a killing incident right here. Yeah, please, we didn't find the family. They said they don't live around, so some of the next house. I'm sorry, yeah, neighbors, and then his best friend. So what happened? They are not surprised just that it's a sad situation. At the crime scene. News about a killing incident right here. This house is too small. Yeah, neighbors, and then his best friend. So what happened? They are not surprised just that it's a sad situation.
Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yebimu. Kumawu TV aba amansane yena yebimu. Kumawu TV aba.
Tenants no ebusuafo na omucha ejaduo ne nambofo nyina omucha ejaduo se eye omunua ba mo magi nyina wafiri mu no aha omuye pa enti na ban no ehwe se omubema ni omunua be ma ni justice na chese abrante na landlord no twi tu okumo no se mpo ye be chena tuma ye nche no entum na emma ni nua be ma ni justice oga what should you take about that one too?
The thing say for justice there if for prevail. Okay. For this one no be say go do by accident whatever. This one be proper. You plan say they go kill somebody where you kill him. Okay. This one no be say by accident where he kill a person. Okay. Where for talk say by accident whatever. He plan for your head say at the well vest. I dey go fight this person. Where he get there to mistake where you go shoot the person. You shoot him 4 times. No be so. Yeah. So if the accident no be once you go shoot her, but you shoot her 4 times.
4 times.
So as you shoot her 4 times, you know, where you die, you know be kill you kill her. Okay. So you kill her. The thing be say this one, you know, if you no talk say he say the guy he die, he all die be die, he kill her, all kill to be killed.
This one also a self-defense.
Well, the self-defense day, the person carry gun come. You know the house you go. So where the self-defense day? If where the person to you pursue you with another gun, where you go get another gun, where you shoot her, that one where you go talk say na self-defense. This one you go there with some mind be where you prepare, you dress well like a military person where they go war. So as you reach there, where you talk small or you go carry gun, okay. Where you shoot her.
Not just sana war there no be so.
No be so we
you keke enya self-defense na ye wudie na.
He be kill where kill him.
Okay.
No be self defense.
No. Inti abusiafo ne say aban ni hwehwe no mo munua be ma no. Justice wo na wo no. Enya ne kra wo. Obi e na hye da tutu akuna inti aban no emfa ne nan ensi for.
Kumawu TV aba. Amansane yena yebimu. Kumawu TV aba. Amansane yena yebimu.